Hello friends, ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തുന്നതാണ് MOZAMINIMIയുടെ Gimbal. We are opening our MOZAMINIMI packet. Oh, another packet also there inside. At last, third one, hard material box, very beautiful. We are opening the case. Wow. And inside, oh, there was one sticker and manual for the test. And the tripod. Tripod was good. Nice hard material plastic to stand. And the charging cable. And the most important thing, MOZAMINIMI Gimbal. Oh wow, very nice. One of the best feature in MOZA, there was a wireless charging on mobile and 360-degree Inception mode. That was very nice. There is only 3 buttons are there, one dial wheel, one joystick, one power button. Double press the power button, it will go to the wireless charging on mobile. It's very nice, simple use. On the gimbal backside there was a charging port of the gimbal and a mobile charging for the port for USB near the mobile holder and adjustment screw for the mobile vertical or horizontal we can adjust and the alignment screw, dial pad for the balancing of the mobile. And other features are there, some holes are there, more holes are there for putting mic or light, something like that. You can add it. Now we are starting the mobile. Just long press on the power button. It will be on steady mode. See, and connect to the Bluetooth. Then it will connect to the MOZAMINIMI software. Now connecting the MOZAMINIMI via Bluetooth. This is MOZA Genie application. This is the software. Once this is connecting, this is the application. I'll tell you later. You have to open the Play Store and search MOZA Genie application. See, MOZA Genie. Just install. I already installed. Then I open. It's opening now. This is the software. See, this one the software. Press this button. Switch camera mode, playback mode, spiral mode, flash mode, anti-shake, shooting mode. See, shooting mode, once press that one, it will show this one, shooting mode. Video, telelapse photography, motion lapse, slow motion, and photo, taking pictures also. Once around move, then press explosion comparison, white balancing. This is the recording 1080p 30 fps 4K 720 720. Color inverter, ND, infinity mode, auto mode, continuous video, continuous picture. And one of the most important things are you can go to Facebook Live or customs live stream on YouTube. This is the most important feature on Genie. Once the software is active, you can turn joystick upward, downward, leftward, rightward. It will move on whatever you are doing on joystick. See, no need to move the joystick, just press the joy button whatever you want. Once you are activating the gimbal mode, whatever you are activating, it will not move that activation only. See, it will not shake on the video. This is the most feature in gimbal. You can take the cinematic video on this gimbal. See the short video. This is the follow mode. No shaking. This is active mode. This is not moving the gimbal. This is tracing the object. See, when it's moving the gimbal automatically. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.